Tayo guys, nagpapalit tayo ng condenser fan motor dahil sira yung dalawang condenser motor na carrier na package unit. Ito, inumpisa na namin na tinanggal yung condenser fan motor, at saka nandito din yung bago na ipapalit namin. Ito, ayan, meron pang isa, ayan doon, no? Bubuksan ko pa yan. Ito yung package unit na na ginagawa namin, na papalitan namin dahil gumagana siya kung kompreso lang gumagana, yung condenser hindi gumagana, nagtitrip. Ay nagko-complain, hindi raw lumalamig, hindi raw nagbabago yung temperature ng kwarto, at saka yung thermostat hindi nagano yung temperature bumaba. Ayan, nagtatanggal kami ng motor. Ayan. Finish. Okay, we'll fix this one, new one. This one. Like this, same position. Like this. Like this ka.
Any position, no problem. You know.
Okay. You use the old one,
This one remove.
screw. Old one is screw.
Foot.
Yeah.
Back side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
Hey. Why not coming?
Coming this one. Same. All same. I hold. You put the screw, old one.
Okay.
Other one also. Ito na yung unit na ginagawa namin eh. Ito yung dalawang compressor. Ito circuit. Ayan guys. Ayan ang control natin. Yan ang problema. Yan ang problema ng unit. Eh, alam mo naman, tag-init na ngayon dito sa Saudi. Nagtitirikan yung condenser fan motor. Ngayon. Dahil nasunog yung sunog rin yung condenser. Yung motor na yan, at saka yung capacitor, pumutok yung capacitor, yun ayun pumutok din. Yun na nadali yung nadali yung winding ng fan motor. Ayan. Tapos yung isa naman medyo na rin yung motor, para yung bushing niya na may tahman na rin. Yan, kinakabit na sa kasama ko. Yan na yung motor na bago, original na motor na binili. Ayaw ng kliyente ng lokal gusto original. Ayan. Yeah, take this one. Same. Yeah, you put this inside and then screw.
This and some. So I go in that. Yes, sir. This one.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Cross by cross.
Mm.
If you are tight, cross by cross.
Okay.
After that one, other side. Oh, oh, finish. Ayan, like that. After balance. Yeah. Okay na yan. I-fix na natin yan. Ano guys, na ikakabit na natin yung condenser fan motor. Ayan na.
Not this start, why? Call Baba. Put down temperature.
Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Bye bye and good luck. Thank you for watching. Ayun o, gumana na o. It's working now. Thank you for watching.